Failing an exam can feel devastating. It can make you question your abilities and your future. It's okay to feel disappointed. It's a natural reaction to something that didn't go as planned. But remember, it's just one exam. It doesn't define you. Your worth is not measured by a single test. You're not a failure. You're a person who encountered a setback. Failure is an event, not a person. It's a moment in time, not a reflection of your entire being. See this as an opportunity to learn and grow. Every failure teaches us something valuable. You can bounce back stronger. Use this experience to fuel your determination. Think of this experience as a stepping stone. Each step, no matter how difficult, brings you closer to your goals. It's a chance to reevaluate your approach. What worked well? What didn't? What could you do differently? How can you improve your strategies for next time? Use this feedback to improve your study habits. Create a plan that addresses your weaknesses and builds on your strengths. You have the power to change your story. Your future is in your hands. This is a chance to develop resilience. Resilience is built through facing and overcoming challenges. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks. It's about persistence and perseverance. It's a key ingredient for success in life. Embrace this challenge. Let it shape you into a stronger, more capable individual. It will make you stronger. Every challenge you overcome adds to your strength and resilience. It's natural to feel disappointed after a setback. Acknowledge your feelings. Allow yourself to feel the sting of the results. Don't bottle it up. Talk to someone you trust about how you're feeling. But don't dwell on the negative emotions. Give yourself a set amount of time to process the disappointment. Then shift your focus to the future. What can you learn from this experience? How can you use it to improve? Remember, dwelling on the past won't change the outcome. It will only hold you back. It's time to move forward. It's time to focus on what you can control, your effort and your attitude. The night before a new term starts, take some time to prepare. Organize your study materials. Create a clean and inspiring workspace. Set clear goals for the semester. Visualize yourself succeeding. Imagine yourself walking into the exam room with confidence. Picture yourself acing the test. A positive mindset can make a big difference. Get a good night's sleep. Eat a healthy breakfast. When you feel good physically, you're more likely to think clearly and feel confident. A new day is a fresh start. Approach it with energy and optimism, always. Don't be afraid to look at your mistakes. Analyze your exam paper. Identify the areas where you lost marks. Understanding your mistakes is crucial for improvement. Were there specific topics you struggled with? Did you make careless errors? Once you know where you went wrong, you can focus your efforts on those areas. Seek help from your teachers or classmates if needed. Practice makes progress. Rework the problems you got wrong. Do additional practice questions. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Remember, everyone learns at their own pace. Section 5. Effort, the great equalizer. Some people may seem naturally gifted. They might grasp concepts quickly. They may not need to study as much, but don't compare yourself to others. Everyone has different strengths and weaknesses. Focus on your own journey. Hard work and dedication can often outweigh natural ability. Put in the effort and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Believe in your ability to learn and grow. Remember, you're not competing against others. You're competing against yourself. Aim to be a little better today than you were yesterday. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Section 6. A healthy body, a focused mind. Physical activity is not just good for your body. It's a powerful tool for maintaining mental well-being. Engaging in regular exercise, such as yoga, running, or even a simple walk, can significantly improve your mental clarity and emotional stability. When you're feeling stressed or overwhelmed, taking a break to go for a run, a bike ride, or a brisk walk can make a world of difference. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters that can help you feel more positive and energized. In addition to physical activity, make sure you're eating nutritious foods that support both your body and mind. What you eat fuels your brain, so include a variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet. Stay hydrated as well. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body and mind functioning at their best. Taking care of your physical health will help you study more effectively and retain information better. A cluttered space can lead to a cluttered mind, making it harder to concentrate and stay on task. Keep your study area clean and organized to create a conducive environment for learning. This will help you focus better, reduce distractions, and enhance your overall productivity. A clean and orderly environment promotes productivity and helps you stay on top of your academic responsibilities. Section 7. The power of routine and self-discipline. These two elements are crucial for achieving success in any area of life, especially in academics. Create a study schedule and stick to it. Consistency is key. By having a set routine, you train your mind to focus better and reduce the chances of procrastination. Break down your study material into manageable chunks. This makes the information easier to digest and less overwhelming. Don't try to cram everything in at the last minute. Procrastination is your enemy. It leads to stress and poor performance. Avoid putting things off until the last minute. Distractions can be tempting, but they only delay your progress. The longer you wait, the more pressure you'll feel. This pressure can affect your ability to retain information and perform well. Start working on assignments early. This gives you ample time to understand the material and complete your work without rushing. This will give you time to ask for help if needed. Don't hesitate to seek assistance from teachers or peers. Reward yourself for your hard work. Positive reinforcement can boost your motivation and make studying more enjoyable. When you achieve a study goal, take a break and do something you enjoy. This helps to refresh your mind and maintain a healthy balance. This will help you stay motivated and prevent burnout. Regular breaks are essential for maintaining your mental health. Celebrate your achievements along the way. Recognizing your progress keeps you motivated and encourages you to keep going. Plan your next study session and keep building on your routine. With discipline and consistency, you can achieve your academic goals. Section 8. Exam Day Strategies. Setting yourself up for success. The night before your exam, make sure you get enough sleep. Avoid staying up late cramming. A well-rested mind is crucial for clear thinking and recall. Eat a healthy and balanced breakfast on exam day. Avoid sugary foods that can lead to an energy crash. Choose foods that provide sustained energy, such as oatmeal, eggs, or yogurt. Arrive at the exam venue early to avoid unnecessary stress. Take a few deep breaths to calm your nerves before you start the exam. Remember, you've prepared well and you've got this. Section 9. The Power Within. Confidence and prayer. Believe in yourself. You have the knowledge and skills to succeed. Visualize yourself doing well on the exam. Positive self-talk can make a big difference. If you find comfort in prayer, take a few moments to pray before the exam. Ask for clarity of mind, focus, and the ability to recall what you've learned. Seek guidance and support from a higher power. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Tap into your inner strength and resilience. Face the challenge with courage and determination. Your efforts will pay off. Section 10. Your future awaits. Embrace the journey. Life is full of challenges. Failing an exam is just a small bump in the road. It's how you respond to setbacks that defines you. Learn from your experiences and keep moving forward. Embrace a growth mindset. Believe that you can always learn and improve. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are valuable learning opportunities. See the bigger picture. Your future is bright. Go out there and make it happen. You have the power to achieve your dreams. Believe in yourself, put in the work, and never give up.